Hello. I'm back with Sean Benson here, and today we are going to be showing you the ceiling fan. I did a video of the ceiling fan earlier today, and this is the ceiling fan. The video will be called wobbly ceiling fan, part 2. Yep. I want to turn this thing on. See how the top 30 is? It's really dirty. Just up top. See how dusty it is. Hang on, let me guess. Hang on. Pull this bulging. Video of it. Oh. Sheesh. The fan started to go crazy. I thought it was gonna fall off the ceiling, kill somebody, but it would not. Yep. This fan's great. This fan's definitely just crazy as heck. You know. So it's never just the job of Yep. So let's turn this thing on. I thought I just decided to turn the fan off by using the whole chain. Yes, that's what I want to do. Alright, so that was the one setting. Do setting. Low. Off. Okay. I stopped. I thought like this is idea to stop the fan. Right, just for my hands. Oh crap! Almost fell off of there. And alright, yeah, so right here, this is where the tape is. Just put the tape on the wrong way. Come on. See, it's really dirty. It's a dirty fan. And I was just like it all the time. Crap, it's gonna go crazy. Right. Like. Yeah, it's just it is probably wobbly. There's just like colors. Yeah. Yep. It says Harbor Breeze right there. Yep, it's definitely just a Harbor Breeze, and I want to test this thing one more time. Let's have a. Phew. It's going on high speed. No, it's not even going on high. Right, just. Wow, that's so much. It's a cooler ceiling fan, by the way. I'll be showing you the top of the blades. And I'll be showing you the black cowl right there. Y'all know why there's like some caulking right there, because that came from the old fan. Yep, it did. The 4-blade fan is what the house came with. See, it came with two switches in the kitchen. By the way, yeah. This is such a small house. We're gonna be moving in about a few months. And when we move in about a few months, I'll be showing you the video of, I'll be showing you the video of the ceiling fans. I'm gonna be having my own room. I'll be showing you the fans. There. Alright. Let me just try to stop the fan. I hope and try not to chop my hand off. Oh my gosh, it's still fast. Come on. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. You can definitely do it. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Let me just stop the fan. Put my hand. Yeah. Wow, it is really nasty. It's nasty up top of that, and I can't even clean it. I'm gonna see if I can try to reach to clean the top of the blades off. Yeah, the tape is in the wrong way. The tape is definitely just at the top. It's at the top, I guess, or if that one's at the top. that one's on the bent blade. I can't even reach it. Because it's bent. Hang on. There's this metal. There's just this black metal cow right there. If you can't see it. Yeah. Yep, there's some caulking right there. Like I said, that came from the old fan. And there's that black metal cowl that surrounds the innards of that fan. Yep, that's the metal cowl. Yep. But as I was saying, yeah. Yeah. That's the metal cowl. It's black. It's the black metal cowl. That's just right on that fan. And oh dear. Oh wow! It's dark. Wow. Boom. So. Yep. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna. All right. I gotta go. I gotta go. I'm gonna have to end the video because I have to clean the fan. And my recording's about to. It's about to stop like in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna stop recording, and I hope y'all will learn about this thing, and hope you can balance a fan. And thank y'all guys. And this thing went crazy, so bye.